Have you been struggling to publish your visualization to Tableau Public? Well, I'm going to show you exactly how to do it. It's super simple. So what I have here is Tableau Public. So to get to this, if you don't know how to get to it, if you go to Google and just type in Tableau Public, you want to look for not this one, because that's just going to take you to the main website. What you're looking for is this one here, public.tableau.com. That's the one we're interested in. So if we open that up, it's going to take you to this page. Now, for those that don't know, the reason we have Tableau Public is it's an open forum for us to share the visualizations we built. This has a number of advantages. One of the biggest ones is for employers. So if you're looking for a job, you can create an online portfolio on Tableau Public to share with employers. This is something I teach on my website to help analysts get jobs, to really showcase their ideas. My website is in the description below if that's something you want to learn. So how do you actually publish here? Well, in the top right, you're going to see sign up. And when you click on that, and by the way, this is free, it'll take you to this page and you just go ahead and create an account. That is the first step. The next step is you need either Tableau Desktop or Tableau Public software. Now, it's really weird that they called it Tableau Public software. I think now they call it Tableau Desktop Public Edition or something like that. In any case, you need one or the other. To get it, if you go back to this page, you're going to go Create up here on the top, and you're going to see Download Desktop Public Edition. Okay, now I'm going to show you both of them, kind of what the difference is. So now let's jump over to Tableau Desktop. All right, here we are in Tableau Desktop. Now I've got the paid version. The only difference when it comes to publishing to Tableau Public, whether you're using the paid version or the free version, is, funnily enough, if you come up here to Server, Tableau Public, the button we're interested in, and hopefully I can get this, Save to Tableau Public, okay, is located under the Server button. On Tableau Desktop Public Edition, which is the free version, it's in the File section. That's the only difference. Everything else is exactly the same. All right, so in order to publish, we first need to create a visualization. And if you want to follow along with this, the data set is in the description below. I'm going to take that data set, drop it in, and I'm in Tableau Desktop. And I'm going to build the absolute simplest thing I can really think of. Let's bring in profit. Let's bring in sales. Let's do category. You build whatever you like. It really doesn't matter here. And I'm going to drop subcategory into color, and that's it, just so we have something. Okay. Now, from here, we can go Server, Tableau Public, Save to Tableau Public As. If I click that, a dialog box is going to open, and it's going to ask you to sign in with the credentials you just created before. So I'm going to go ahead and do that and just follow the prompts. Now, here's the really important part. Once you put your credentials in, it's going to give you this warning, which is data extract required. Okay, so let me explain what this is. When you have an Excel file or a CSV file or text file or whatever, we are feeding that data into the Tableau software, but they're still separate items. What we're actually doing when we publish is we're publishing the visualization to the cloud. But that visualization only exists if data is constantly feeding it. So we actually need to create an extract which kind of blends the two together. So now the data is being stitched, if you will, with the visualization, and both are being sent to the cloud so that the whole thing will actually function correctly. So when that happens, we need to create a data extract. And that's as simple as pressing this button. When you press this button, it's going to ask, where do you want to save it? I generally will save it in my downloads folder. It's the easiest way. I'm going to go here, and that's if it prompts you. All this we're going to leave as standard. Save settings. I'm here in my downloads. I'm going to go save. It's created the extract for me. Now we have the extract, and we're going to go ahead and publish again. So Server, Tableau Public, save to Tableau Public As. I'm already signed in. Okay, and now this is different. So we're going to call this Publish Test. And this is the name of your dashboard once it goes into the cloud. Save. Once it finishes publishing, a browser will open and you can see your visualization is now in the cloud. And that's how easy it is to publish to Tableau Public. Again, if you want to learn all of this stuff in huge detail, be sure to check out my website. I teach all of this stuff in insane detail. It's crazy. Hundreds and thousands of people I've taught this kind of stuff. So hope you guys enjoyed, and I will see you next time.